Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will develop this 3D model in SolidWorks. So we will go to new part, we will click OK. Then we will go to sketch, we will select the top plane and we will draw this bigger circle that is 60 radius, so 120 diameter, and this length is 70. So we will go to circle, we will draw the circle. So the diameter of this circle is 120. Okay, and then we need to draw a central line that is equal to from here to here, and the dimension is 70. Okay, so this dimension is 70, right? Now we will draw a horizontal line at this point, and the length will be equal to 120. So we will select a midpoint line, we will select this point and we will draw this line. Okay, and then we will give the dimension to this line is 120. Okay, and then we will select this line command, we will select this point and we will meet with this point, and similarly we will do with this point and meet this point. Now we will select the trim command and we will trim this internal part. Now our sketch is fully defined, and we know that the center distance, oh no, first we will extrude this one. We will go to feature and then we'll go to extrude, and extrude is 25. So the height is 25. Okay, and now we need to create this center circle that is equal to 23 radius. So we will select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, then we will select the center of this point, so we will select the center, we'll draw the circle and then go to dimension. So if the radius is 23, then the diameter will be 46. Okay, and then we will go to select the feature and then go to extrude cut and we'll select through all. Now we need to create this one, right? So the length is 85 and from here to here is 40. So we will select this face, then go to sketch. This time we will select corner rectangle, so we will draw a rectangle. So give the dimension, this one is 40 and this one is 85, so we'll put 85. Okay, and then we will draw a central line from here to here, and then we will select this line, we will select this line, and then we will select this central line and make it symmetric. Now it's at the center. Okay, and now we need to extrude this one 15. Go to feature and then go to extrude boss. So the height is 15, just put the value 15 and set OK. Right, now we need to create this 10 diameters circle at the center of this plane. So we will select this face and then we will go to sketch. Okay, and then we will draw a central line. So we will draw a central line from here to here and then go to center circle. We will select this one and we will put the diameter of this one is 10. So we'll put this one is 10, and then we will go to feature and then go to extruded cut. So it's I think through all, so we will select through all. So we have created this one. Now we need to create these three circles. So these are at the radius of 34. Okay, and 10. Okay, so we'll select this face, we'll go to sketch. Okay, from here we will select a center, and then we will draw a circle, and the dimension of this circle is r is 34, so the diameter will be 68, so we put 68. Okay, sorry, so dia of this for this circle is this one is 50, so it means that this will be equal to 100, right? And then we will select this line, and then we will select for construction, we make it for construction. Okay, and then we will select the center circle, we will select this point, and we will select this point, we have a circle it here, and we also have a circle at this point. Okay, and then we will give the dimension to this one is 10. Okay, so we will select this circle, we will select this circle and this circle, and we make it equal, right? And then we will go to feature and then go to extruded cut. So we will select the through all, right? Now we need to create this circle cut, and this is equal to 34, so we will select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so now we will select the center circle, we will draw the circle and give the dimension to this circle is 68. Okay, 68, and now we will go to the feature, now we will select the extruded cut. Okay, so extruded cut from downward is 10 millimeter and through all above side. So from this we will select the blind and we put the value 10. Okay, so downward direction is 10, and upward direction is through all. So here we will select the direction 2, and from here we will select through all. So from above side is through all, and at bottom side is 10, and then select OK. So now you can see that our model is ready. Okay, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.